Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the function editor so you can directly target the stored expression. Press Mode or Menu, then choose the y equals or fx entry. This lists all active functions. Once you see the function line, move the cursor to highlight the exact entry you want to remove. Make sure you're on the function line, not a mode option, because deletion here prevents accidental loss of other settings. This immediate focus saves time and keeps subsequent steps precise. With the unwanted function highlighted, press DEL or the backspace key to remove characters. If the calculator use is clear, press it to erase the whole line. Once cleared, confirm the line shows blank or a placeholder like. If you have several functions to remove, repeat this process for each line. After deletion, use the graph preview or draw command to verify the plot no longer appears. Make sure to save or exit properly so the change persists across sessions. Finish by confirming the function is gone from both the editor and the graph screen. If the plot still appears, disable plotting for that slot or toggle the function's plot marker off. Only use a memory reset when multiple stray items remain. That clears all stored functions and settings. If the calculator behaves oddly, restart it or remove and reinsert the battery. Troubleshoot tip: if deletion seems ineffective, check for linked apps or equation templates that auto-populate f, x, and disable those before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.